Hello, welcome back to my eating show. Today's episode is a pre-recorded video. I recorded it either Tuesday or Wednesday of last week, and I just wanted to warn you, I'm tired, I'm very hungry, and I'm also very angry. I explain why I'm angry in the video, so hopefully you enjoy it. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and enjoy the show. All right, hello, welcome back. This is supposed to be ASMR video of me eating the cold cucumber soup that I made, which turned out to be disastrous. But you know, what can I say? It's hot, and I'm tired, which is why I look the way I do. And let's see here. Throw some tomatoes over in here. And I'm rather annoyed. Clearly I need more liquid for this. Gotta love it. Let me taste this. All right, this looks really foolish, but you know what? Don't care, because at least you can hear me, right? So anyway. Oh. So this is my cold cucumber soup, which I don't have enough liquid for, but that's okay. It's still cold, and it's still cucumber. There's all the broth, I guess you could say. Oh well. Back to what I was saying. I like shit because I really should be in bed right now. These tomatoes are good. But I wanted to film my cold cucumber soup. My mom's sister called me. Every time I talk on the phone with this woman, I am so annoyed with her. So I added her to my block caller list. I don't know how many of my videos you've watched. Is this on? But she's the aunt that who thinks I'm a lesbian because I don't have any children. And every time I see her, it's the same stupid fucking questions. When are you gonna have some babies? When are you gonna have some babies? Are you a lesbian? As if my sole purpose in life is to give birth to some children I don't want. I'm too tired for this. Well, she called me because she wanted to know why I didn't come visit. And I told her I didn't want to. And if I did want to, I couldn't because I couldn't get the time off work. Which both of them are true. My hair looks like shit. And as you can tell by how many 4-letter bombs I've dropped, I'm really pissed off and tired. I tell you, angry eating is not attractive at all. Save those there. This is really good. My hair looks like crap. That was feminine. I got up early Saturday morning to go ride my trike in Santa Clarita. And there was a fire burning off of the freeway. I don't know if you've seen it on the news, but it's being called the Sands Fire. I didn't get much riding done when I was in Valencia because I could smell the smoke in the air. And because of my asthma, it was really hard for me to breathe. So I only rode 4.5 miles on my trike. My plan was to ride 10 miles Saturday morning and then 10 miles on Sunday morning. But it just didn't work out. I went driving around the whole weekend with my sunroof closed. Because whenever I go somewhere on the weekends, it's usually really early in the morning or late at night. And I can do that without getting sunburn on my flippin' forehead. Ooh, it's a lot of hot air. Excuse me. Just gonna go finish this up because you can never have too many vegetables. And this turned out to be really, really refreshing. Yeah, I didn't. There we go. Oh, damn it. Dumbass Shavonne. Put that in there. More ice cubes. actually really, really good. But, tell ya. Someone asked me why I would drive 40 minutes away just to ride my trike. And I said, it's because the Santa Clarita Valencia bike lanes are dedicated bike lanes. I don't have to share a road or anything with cars, and so I can pretty much ride nonstop without having to worry about stoplights and stop signs and since I'm allergic to Russian thistle, which is also known as tumbleweed, I don't have to worry about breathing in any of that when I'm in that area because it doesn't really grow there. I'm actually really tired of chewing right now. I'm tired of chewing. This is really good, but the only thing that annoyed me about this dish was filming it when I made it. It made the process 3 times longer. And plus I'm tired and pissed off. And my hair looks like crap. And I'm not wearing a bra, so my boobs look really saggy. And as a matter of fact, I don't think I ever wear bras when I do my videos. I should probably remedy that. Or I probably shouldn't have mentioned it and you wouldn't have noticed. Oh well. So, now that I'm not pissed off anymore, I think I was just hangry, you know? I'm hungry and angry at the same time because I feel so much better now. But I don't know how many of you live like really far away from family. But I'm really, really tired of spending vacation time and money on plane tickets to go visit family just to sit in their house. And when they live in the hood, it's even worse because it's like you're wasting your vacation time and you're spending money to be depressed when you should be relaxing and enjoying yourself. And all you have is just poverty all around you. Oh. Just thinking about it makes me depressed. I hate going to Michigan. Man, that cherry tomato. It was so good. I should have chopped up more of these and put them in here. Oh, man, that's good. Man, it's hit the spot. Okay, I can't finish the rest of that. There's just something about sometimes garlic can be too strong for my taste buds. But that was really good. I got that from Mung Chi's channel. She didn't add shredded carrot to hers, but I did because I like carrots. I'm sorry I wasn't so talkative and I dropped all those 4-letter bombs and complained and gave you the evil eye. And I don't look that great because I need to go to bed because I'm tired. And that's it. That was cold cucumber soup. It was inspired by Mung Chi. Go check out her channel. There's a link in the description box to her channel below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.